Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, this is the second week of VCT Meo, and today I wanna presentation presentation to presentate to you about cloud computing. Cloud computing is when computing services are provided by a company or placed outside of where they are being used. It is like the way in which electricity is sent to a user. They simply use the electricity that is sent to them and do not need to worry where the electricity is from or how it's made and brought to them. Every month, they pay only for what they use and nothing more. The idea behind cloud computing is similar. The user can simply use storage, computing power, or development environment without having to worry how they work behind the scenes. The cloud is a metaphor for the internet based on how it's described in computing network diagrams. Just as how in the real world, cloud had hide parts of the sky from sight. The cloud is the the cloud in computing hide the complex infrastructure that makes the internet work. It is a type of computing in which IT-related actions are provided as a service, allowing users to access this service through the internet. In the cloud, they do not have to know or control the technologies behind them, preventing them to preventing them from running into ethical and legal problems. According to the IEEE, cloud computing is a concept where every information is placed on the servers and sent over the internet to other devices, such as computers, laptops, handhelds, and sensors. It includes the idea of having software as a service or SaaS, such as Web 2.0, that depend on the internet to meet the needs of their users. For example, Google has made several of these suite apps which are accessed from a web browser. Unlike other software, unlike other software that does the same task, including Microsoft Office, the software and data are stored on Google's servers, not on the machine in which they are used. Brief comparison. Cloud computing is often confused with other ideas. Grid, grid computing, a form of distributed computing whereby super and virtual computers is composed of a culture of a cluster of network loosely loosely coupled computers working together to perform large tasks. Utility computing, the packaging of computing resources such as computation and storage are provided as measured service that have to be paid, similar to a traditional public utility such as electricity. And autonomic computing, computer system capable of self-management. Cloud computing often use grid computing, has autonomatic characteristic and it and it and is built like utilities. But cloud computing can be seen as a natural next step from the grid utility model. Some successful cloud architecture have little or non-centralized infrastructure or billing system, include peer-to-peer network like BitTorrent and Skype. Architecture. The majority of cloud computing infrastructure currently consists of reliable service delivered through data centers that are built on computer and storage virtualization technologies. The services are accessible anywhere in the world, with the cloud appearing as a single point of access. for all computing needs of customers. Commercial offering need to meet the quality of service requirements of customers and typically offer service level agreements. Open standards and open source software are also critical to growth of cloud computing characteristics. As customers generally do not own the infrastructure or know all detail about it. Mainly, they are accessing or renting so they can consume resource as a service and maybe paying for what they do not need instead of what they actually do not instead of what they actually do need to use. Many cloud computing provides use to utility computing model which is analogous to how traditional public utilities like electricity are consumed, while others are built on a subscription basis. By sharing consumable and intangible, intangible computing power between multiple tenants, utilization rates can be improved as services are not left idle, which can reduce costs significantly while increasing the speed of application development. A side effect of this approach is that computer capacity rises dramatically as customers have the do not have to engineer for peak loads. Adaptation has been enabled by increased high-speed bandwidth, which makes it possible to receive the same response times from centralized infrastructure and at other sites providers. Cloud computing is being driven by providers including Google, Amazon.com, Yahoo, as well as traditional vendors including IBM, Intel, Microsoft, and SAP. It can adopt by all kinds of users, by the individuals or large enterprises. Most internet users are currently use cloud services, even if they do not realize it. Webmail, for example, is a cloud service, as are Facebook and Wikipedia and contact list synchronization and online data backups. History. The cloud is a metaphor for the internet, or more generally, components and services which are managed by others. The underlying concept dates back to 1960 when John McCarthy expressed his opinion that computation may someday be organized as a public utility, and the term cloud was already in commercial use in the early 1990s to refer to large ATM networks. By the by the turn of the 21 21st century, cloud computing solution had started to appear on the market, though 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 most of the focus at the time was on software as a service. Amazon.com played a key role in the development of cloud computing when upgrading their data center after the dot-com bubble and providing access to their systems by way of Amazon Web Service in 2002 on a utility computing basis. They found the new cloud architecture result in significant internal efficiency improvements. 2007 observed increased activity including Google, IBM, and a numbers of universities starting large-scale cloud computing research project. Around the time, the term started gaining popularity in mainstream press. It was hot topic by Mine 2008 and numerous cloud computing events had been scheduled. In August 2008, Gartner observed that organizations are switching from company-owned hardware and software assets to per-use service-based models, and that the project shift to cloud computing will result in dramatic growth in the IT products in some areas and in significant reduction in other areas. Political issue. Cloud cross many century borders and may be the ultimate form of globalization. As such, is it is the subject of complex geopolitical issues, whereby providers must satisfy many legal restrictions in order to deliver service to a global market. This dates back to the early days of the internet, where liberation thinkers felt that cyberspace was a distinct place calling for laws and legal institution of its own. Although Neil Stephenson envisaged this as a tiny island that he haven't in his science fiction classic novel Cryptonomicon. Although there have been efforts to match the legal environment such as US EU safe harbor provide like Amazon Web Service usually deal with international markets, typically the US, United States, and European Union by deploying local infrastructure and allow customers to select their countries. However, there are still concerns about security and privacy for individuals through various governmental levels. For example, the US Patriot Act and of use of national security ladders and Title II of the Electronic Communication Privacy Act, the Stored Communication Act. Legal issue. In March 2007, Dell applied the trademark to term cloud computing in the United States. It received a notice of allowance in July 2008, which was subsequently cancelled on August 6, resulting in a formal rejection of the trademark application in less than a week later. In November 2007, the Free Software Foundation released the Avro General Public License, abbreviated as Avro GPL and AGPL, a version of GPL v3 designed to close a perceived legal loophole associated with free software design be run over a network, particularly server as a service. According to the AGPL license, application service provider are required to release any changes they make to an AGPL open source code. The architecture. Cloud architecture is the system architecture of the software systems involved in the delivery of cloud computing. Example, hardware and software, as designed by a cloud architect, would typically works for cloud integration. It typically involve multiple cloud components communicating with each other over application programming interface, usually web service. This is very similar to Unix philosophy of having multiple programs doing one thing well and working together over universal interfaces. Complexity is controlled and the resulting systems are more manageable than their monolithic counterparts. Cloud architecture extends to the client where web browsers and or software applications are used to access cloud application. Cloud storage architecture is closely coupled with where metadata operations are centralized, enabling the data nodes to scale into the hundreds, each independently delivering data to application or user. I think that's enough. Who want to continue this? Okay, Mutia.
Okay, thank you, Aswin.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Let me continue it.
Yeah.
So this is Mutiara. I will to tell you about a story. The title is Timun Mas. A long time ago, living a couple of farmers. They live in a village near the forest. They live happy. Unfortunately, they have not only had only was a child also. Every day they pray to the God. They pray to be soon be a child. One day, a giant passed where they reside. Giant prayer is heard that wife's husband. Giant then provide them with seeds, cucumber. Uh, Plant seeds of this, later you will soon get a female child, said the giant. Thank you, giant, said the couple. But there is condition at the age of 17 years, the child must be submit with you to me. The giant replied. Without thinking long, they agreed, because it wanted a child. Husband and wife, farmers, to plant the seed cucumber. Every day they start caring for the plants that grow with it as best as possible. Many months and bear a cucumber with a golden color. Fruit cucumber that the longer become larger and heavier. When the fruit is ripe, they take it carefully, slit the fruit. Suddenly, in the fruit is found an infant of woman who very beautiful. A couple was very happy. They gave the name of the baby Timun Mas. Year after pass, Timun Mas grow into a beautiful girl. Both parents are very proud of her, but they they become very afraid because the birthday Timun Mas at 17. The giant will back. The giant take back that promise to take Timun Mas. Farmers are trying to come. Wait a moment, Timun Mas playing. My wife will call her, he said. Farmer find it immediately to her daughter. My girl, take this, she said while giving a cloth bag. This will help fight the giant. Now flee as soon as possible, she said. So even Timo must immediately afraid. Couple on the set departure of Timon Mas, but they are not willing if their child become food giant. Giant waiting a long time. He was not patient. He knew what that lied by couple of farmers, and he also destroyed the hunt of the farmer. Then it was to pursue Timon Mas to forest. The giant rushed case immediately Timon Mas. Near the giant, Timon must immediately take a handful of salt from the cold pouch. Then salt sprayed into the giant. Suddenly, a white sea also unfolded. Giant forced to swim with great difficulty. Timon must run again, but then was successful. Giant come closer. Timun Mas again taking bizarre objects from the cloth bag. He took handful chili toward to the giant. At once, the tree branches and sharp thorns of the giant carried pain. Timun Mas was running to save herself, but the giant is really strong. He was again nearly captured Timun Mas. So Timun Mas is also third issue for miracles. She saw seeds cucumber magic. It once grow. The cucumber garden very knowledgeable. Giant very tired and hungry. He also eat the fresh cucumber with oneself. Because of too much eating, Giant was left. Timun Mas again fled. She ran for dear life, but long run power out, more unlucky again because the giant awake from sleep. Giant again almost catch her. Timun Mas very terrified. He also threw the last two handful shrimp past. Miracles happen. A leg of mud spread wide. Giant fall into it. Hands almost reach Timun Mas, but the leg mouth is basic to withdraw it. Giant panic. He cannot breathe. Then the submerged Timun Mas realized she has survived. Timun Mas is also returned to home to their parents, father and mother. Timun Mas happy to see Timun Mas be safe. They help. Thank you, God. You have to save my girl. She said they're delighted. Since that time, Timun Mas can live quickly with her parents. They can live, be happy without living a fear again. Ta-da! The end.
Okay, thank you, Mutiara. Anifan,
Anifan,
please continue. Please be fast. The remaining time is 6 and 50 minutes.
Okay, thank you. Okay. This morning I have explained what virtualization is. Now I will explain the applications that are commonly used to create virtual machines. VirtualBox. VirtualBox is a virtualization software for installing the operating system. The word virtualization is changing for or transforming something into a simulation into a simulated form of real form. For example, if someone has installed the Windows operating system on their computer, this person could also run other operating system that they do not have one in the Windows operating system. For those of you who want to try it to implement an operating system, you don't need to reinstall your PC or laptops. The story about VirtualBox was first developed by a German company, Innotech GmbH. In February 2008, Innotech GmbH was taken over by Sun Microsystem. According to Wahidun, using VirtualBox makes it easier for us to learn to computer. Even though we don't have a computer or are afraid that the computer will be damaged by the damage that is overcome by the presence of VirtualBox. This type of virtual machine or VirtualBox has many variations, such as as Virtual PC, Cameo Emulator, VMware, and many others. VirtualBox supports any Windows computer without having to download a different version of the file. VirtualBox can run smoothly on 32-bit or 64-bit computers. VirtualBox has the following function. Service to try an operating system other than the main operating system. To servers to test an operating system that has just been released or is still in the testing phase or beta. 3. Servers to perform network simulations. 4. Servers for physical replacement virtual machine application from a PC. 5. Can be used to simulate a security test regardless of whether it is an operating system or a website. The benefit of using VirtualBox is that it can be useful for ordinary people to learn how to install an operating system without having to change or copy exciting data on the hard drive. Because installing OS on VirtualBox doesn't interfere with the main operating system. The next benefit is that you can install multiple operating systems for free without having to remove them for the main hard drive. Save money by not having to buy new hardware or computer to use or install multiple operating system. And the final benefit is that it can test and simulate simulate system installation without losing exciting systems. Okay, that's enough.
Okay, thank you, Hanifan. Maybe we can end
Okay,
this
Revan.
session because the remaining time is 2 minutes. I don't know why this happened. Wait. Uh, so maybe that's enough for today because the remaining time is 1 minute again. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.